Don't give them that story. Check in at 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, or whenever you have genuinely exciting updates to share. And here's a technique that works exceptionally well. I call it the update and deflect. Instead of going back with, "So have you decided yet?" you bring new information and redirect the attention. "Hey, I know budget was a concern when we last spoke, but I wanted to reach out because we now have a more accessible way to get started. I thought of you, or maybe you know someone this would be perfect for." What does this do? It removes pressure. It creates curiosity. And more often than you'd expect, the response comes back, "Wait, why wouldn't this be for me?" And just like that, the conversation is alive again. One final principle, and this is the most important thing I'll say in this chapter. Always keep your personal relationship stronger than the business context. People don't respond to pressure, they respond to connection. If someone feels like they matter to you beyond what they can do for your business, they'll trust you, and trust is what opens doors. Master that balance, and your follow-up becomes effortless. Here's a number that will change how you think about this business. 80% of enrollments happen between the 4th and the 6th follow-up. 80%. And yet, most ambassadors give up after the first or second no, which means they're walking away from the majority of their business before it even has a chance to begin. Follow-up is the engine. Everything else is the fuel. But let's be clear about what follow-up actually is and what it isn't. It is not about being persistent to the point of annoying. It is about being professional enough to understand that timing is everything. People are like clocks. Just because someone said "not right now" doesn't mean the answer is no forever. Maybe they were comfortable. Maybe they were overwhelmed. Maybe life is simply different for them 3 months from now. Your job is to stay present until their timing aligns with the opportunity. Immediately after a presentation that didn't convert, don't disappear. Ask, "Would it be okay if I sent you a few things on WhatsApp?" Then send trust signals. Trustpilot reviews, the official Instagram pages, a short recorded presentation. Let the credibility keep working even when you're not in the room. The next day, call them, not in 3 days, the next day. Clarify questions, address any uncertainty, and stay connected emotionally. Over the following weeks, share testimonials, post your own travel photos, show progress. Even your first $100 matters. Your social media is working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. People are watching. Some are waiting to see if you're serious or if you'll quietly disappear.